Hello friends, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. Today I will be sharing with you a very famous Indian mocktail recipe which is called roasted raw mango cooler, or in Hindi we can call it as aam panna, or in Bengali we call it as aam pora sharbot. This is very refreshing in summer season. You must try this recipe. Let's see what are the ingredients we will be requiring. Before that, I would like to remind you all that if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get more such recipes like this. And if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like the video, comment on the video and share the video with your family and friends. For making roasted raw mango cooler, I have taken here 2 raw mangoes, 1 cup sugar, some ice cubes, black salt and some roasted spices and some normal temperature water. I have taken here around 500 ml water in a bowl. Let's see how we made these roasted masalas. So for making roasted masalas, I have taken here one pan, and when the pan is heated, I am adding some dry red chilies and 2 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera. After roasting the masalas for 2 to 3 minutes, we need to put these masalas in a mixing jar and have to grind it for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes of grinding, our roasted masala is now ready. Now for roasting the mangoes, I have taken here one griller. So this griller is basically used in micro oven, but if you don't have this one, then you can use any other kind of griller or grill, and need to put on the gas and add the mangoes on the griller and need to roast it in a very low flame, because if you roast it in a high flame, then inside of the mangoes will not be soft but outside will be roasted. So it's very much required that the flame should be in low and all the sides of the mangoes needs to be roasted properly. See, the mangoes are roasted properly from all the sides and the color has been changed also. So now we can put off the gas. Now we need to put the hot roasted raw mangoes on the bowl where I have taken around 500 ml normal temperature water. And now we need to remove the skin of the mangoes. Now after removing the mango skin, we need to take out the mango pulp with the help of your hand. The way I am doing this, you need to follow the same way. See, squeezing the mangoes properly, I have taken all the mango pulps. Now you need to put this mango pulp and water mixture into a mixing jar and have to grind it for around 3 to 4 minutes. Now before grinding the mixture, we need to add some sugar into the mixture, and I have taken here around 1 cup sugar, but if you need more or less, then as per your taste you can add more or less sugar in it, and some black salt as per your taste you need to add, and also you need to add some roasted masalas as per your taste. Now give it a quick mix and finally grind it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes of grinding, our roasted raw mango cooler is ready. Now you need to stain it once. To ensure that there is no roughness anymore, this staining part is very much important. After staining it properly, our roasted raw mango cooler is ready. Now you can store this up to 25 to 30 days. Now to make a glass of the summer cooler, we need to add some ice cubes on the glass. I have taken here around 2 ice cubes, and if you want more or less, then as per your taste or as per your choice, you can add more ice cubes or less ice cubes. And then put some raw mango pulp in the glass, and as the pulp is very thick, we need to add some water also. I have taken here around 70% mango pulp and 30% chilled water, and need to stir it very well. And finally our raw mango cooler or roasted raw mango cooler or Ampura Sharbat or Ampanna is ready now. You can't miss this mocktail in this summer. Must try this at your home. This is very easy and very refreshing. I hope you all liked it. If you liked the recipe, then please like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and comment on the video. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get more such recipes. We'll be back very soon. Till then, bye bye.